Explo is an innovative software that promises to streamline your business operations. But before diving in, there are some things you absolutely need to know. Trust me, you'll want to watch this until the end, because by the time we're done, you'll have a solid understanding of whether this is the right tool for you or if you're better off with another solution. First, let's talk about the core of Explo. While it markets itself as an all-in-one platform for business operations, it's important to understand exactly what that means. Explo brings together features for project management, communication, and data handling, something that competitors like Asana or Monday.com also provide, but it stands out by integrating more advanced analytics and a customizable dashboard. This is a big deal because with Explo, you don't just track tasks, you can directly measure performance metrics and project health in real time, which can save you a lot of time when it comes to reporting and analysis. Next thing, let's talk about ease of use. When you compare it to heavyweights like Trello or ClickUp, Explo offers a more simplified user experience, which can be a breath of fresh air for teams that are looking to quickly implement a new tool without weeks of training. With a clean, intuitive interface, even beginners can get started fast. However, it's important to note that because it is so streamlined, some of the more advanced project management features you might find in something like Monday.com might not be as robust. If your business requires deeper functionality, you might find Explo lacking in customization. The third thing to consider is how Explo integrates with other software. While it offers plenty of native integrations, including with Google Drive, Slack, and Zapier, it's not as expansive as some other competitors in the space. For example, tools like Zapier integrations in platforms like Asana are much more extensive. If you need a software that connects seamlessly with hundreds of third-party apps out of the box, Explo might not be as flexible as you'd like. However, its integrations do cover most of the major tools, which should be more than enough for most businesses. The fourth thing you should know about Explo is its pricing model. Unlike some platforms that offer flexible, tiered pricing based on usage, Explo follows a more fixed pricing structure that can be a bit pricey for small businesses. While it's not the most expensive tool out there, it might feel like more of an investment compared to cheaper competitors like Trello. However, Explo's value proposition lies in its unique blend of functionality and user-friendly design. If you're ready to scale and want a platform that grows with your business, it's worth considering. Another key point, Explo's customer support. Many businesses rely heavily on support to keep their operations running smoothly. And while Explo's support team is generally helpful, some users have reported slower response times during peak hours. Competitors like Monday.com are known for their more immediate support. So if fast response times are a critical aspect of your business operations, this is something to consider. Next thing to keep in mind is Explo's reporting capabilities. This feature is one of its standout points, especially when you compare it to tools like Asana or ClickUp, which can sometimes feel like they offer too many data points without offering meaningful insights. Explo's reporting tools are streamlined, making it easy to generate reports that focus on the metrics that matter most to your business. If you rely on data-driven decisions and need fast insights into project performance, this is where Explo really shines. And finally, one thing you should definitely know before making the decision to buy is that you can actually try Explo completely free. That's right, click the first link in the description below and you'll get full access to the software at no cost for a limited time. This is a great opportunity to test out its features, see how it fits with your team, and make sure it's the right tool before committing. Not every software offers this level of access upfront, so take advantage of it. So, to sum it up, Explo offers great functionality for businesses looking for an intuitive, scalable solution. It stands out for its streamlined interface, powerful analytics, and unique reporting capabilities. But it's not perfect for everyone. If your business needs extremely customizable features or a vast array of third-party integrations, you may want to consider alternatives. However, if you're looking for a straightforward platform that delivers a lot of value right out of the gate, Explo could be the right fit. Remember, if you want to try out Explo for yourself, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits.